Mechanics, MSc Math, rotating axis theorem. If a time dependent vector function is represented by AF and AM in fixed and rotating coordinate system, then dA over dt at F is equal to dA over dt at M plus omega vector cross A vector, where origin of two system coincide at t is equal to 0. Solution: let dA over dt at F mean fixed and dA over dt at M mean moving. Denote time derivative relative to fixed and moving coordinate systems. To the fixed observer, the unit vectors I crow, j crow, k crow are actually changing. Let A vector is equal to A1 I crow plus A2 j crow plus A3 k crow. Differentiate with respect to t. dA over dt at F is equal to dA1 over dt I crow plus dA1 A1 into d I crow over dt plus dA2 over dt into j crow plus A2 d j crow over dt plus dA3 over dt k crow plus A3 d k crow over dt. So dA over dt at a fixed system is equal to a parenthesis start dA A1 over dt I crow plus dA2 over dt j crow plus dA3 over dt k crow, parenthesis close, plus A1 dA I crow over dt plus A2 d j crow over dt plus A3 d k crow over dt. This is equation number 1. dA over dt at fixed is equal to dA over dt at M plus A1 d I crow over dt plus A2 dj over dt plus A3 dk over dt. This is equation number 2. Since I crow is a unit vector, so I crow dot I crow is equal to 1 and d I crow over dt is perpendicular to I crow. This implies that I crow dot d I crow over dt is equal to 0 and d I crow over dt lies in xy plane of j crow and k crow. So it will be in the form of j crow and k crow. So d I crow over dt is equal to alpha 1 j crow plus alpha 2 k crow. This is equation number 3. Similarly, d j crow over dt is equal to alpha 3 k crow plus alpha 4 I crow. This is equation number 4. And d k crow over dt is equal to alpha 5 I crow plus alpha 6 j crow. This is equation number 5. To find unknown, we will use I crow dot j crow is equal to 0, comma j crow dot k crow is equal to 0, and k crow dot I crow is equal to 0. Consider I crow dot j crow is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to t. I dot d j crow over dt plus d I crow over dt dot j crow is equal to 0. This implies I crow dot d j crow over dt is equal to minus d I crow over dt dot j crow. From 3 and 4, equation number 4 implies that I crow dot d j crow over dt is equal to alpha 4. Equation 3 implies that minus d I crow over dt dot j crow is equal to minus alpha 1. So I crow dot d j crow over dt is equal to minus d I crow over dt dot j crow implies that alpha 4 is equal to alpha 1. Also k crow dot I crow is equal to 0. This becomes differentiate with respect to t. D k crow over dt dot I crow dot plus k crow dot d I crow over dt is equal to 0. This implies d k crow over dt dot I crow is equal to minus k crow dot d I crow over dt. Equation 3 and 5 imply alpha 5 I crow plus alpha 6 j crow dot I crow is equal to minus k crow dot alpha 1 j crow plus alpha 2 k crow bracket close. This implies that alpha 5 is equal to minus alpha 2. Then equation 3, 4 and 5 becomes d I crow over dt is equal to alpha 1 j crow plus alpha 2 k crow, and dj crow over dt is equal to alpha 2 k crow minus alpha 1 I crow. D k crow over dt is equal to minus alpha 2 I crow minus alpha 3 j crow. Then a1 d I crow over dt plus a2 d j crow over dt plus a3 d k crow over dt may be written as a1 di crow over dt plus a2 dj over j crow over dt plus a3 dk crow over dt is equal to a3 bracket start alpha 1 j crow plus alpha 2 k crow bracket close plus alpha 1 bracket start alpha plus a2 bracket start alpha 3 k crow alpha 3 k crow minus alpha 1 I crow plus alpha 3 a3 bracket start minus alpha 2 I crow minus alpha 3 j crow bracket close is equal to minus alpha 1 a2 minus alpha 2 a3 I crow plus bracket start alpha 1 a1 minus alpha 3 a3 bracket close j crow plus bracket start alpha 2 a1 plus alpha 3 a2 bracket close k crow. So I crow, j crow, k crow, alpha 2 minus alpha 3 minus alpha 2 alpha 1 a1 a2 a3. Choose a3 is equal to omega 1, alpha 2 is equal to omega 3 omega 2, alpha 1 is equal to omega 3 as components of angular velocity. This implies a1 d I crow over dt plus a2 d j crow over dt plus a3 d k crow over dt is equal to I crow, j crow, k crow, omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, a1, a2, a3. This is equal to omega vector cross a vector, thus form equation 2. dA over dt at f is equal to dA over dt at m plus omega vector cross a vector.